Hello my YouTubing friends, XR150 fanatics. Got some tires I wanted to show you today. I think seems to be more options out there than what I thought. For the front wheel, it's pretty much what everybody's going with. The Golden Boy 244 series. I had to paint Chinko on it though, because Golden Boy just looked kind of wimpy. Trying to compare it to the old tire. For the rear tire, got a Mitas. This is a 120/90/17, and this is a E07. Now this one is 120. The factory tire was a 110, so I wanted to go a little bit wider. Of course, it may not look it in the picture, but it's a little bit wider. Like I said, the original tires are 110/90/17. I couldn't see no bad reviews on this Mitas tire. This is a 50/50 tire. I've heard reviews of 11,000 miles off of a tire, so I went with this one. They say it's got a heavy carcass on it. It's going to work you out trying to get it on that rim, but you can do it. You could sit on this tire and it'll hold you up when it's not even on the rim. It's pretty stout. Another look at the tread. The 07. Just to compare it. Knobbies are a little bit wider and quite a bit deeper. So I'm hoping this newer tire will get down in the rocks and the sand and give me a little better grip. That's what everybody says on YouTube anyway. So again, for the rear, the Mitas E07 120/90/17. And again, this tire is a little taller than the older tire, so I think the bike sits up about another ½ inch. One more look, the Golden Boy 244 series. There you go, just wanted to give you a look, in case anybody was thinking about tires. At least that'll tell you what it looks like on the motorcycle. Took it for a short span today, rode good. Y'all keep it safe out there. See ya.